Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a comparison between Monzo versus Starling. Which one of these two banks is actually better? While both Monzo and Starling definitely share some similarities in being app-based challenger banks, they still also have a lot of key differences across their features and account offerings. This can make choosing between the two of them a difficult decision. So in this kind of video, I want to thoroughly compare and contrast Monzo versus Starling Bank to help you determine which one may be better fit for your specific banking needs. In this video, we're going to be focusing mostly on their first entry-level account, taking into consideration the most important factors and capabilities to evaluate when deciding on a digital bank. So without much further ado, let's get right into it. First up, let's compare the mobile app design and overall user experience of Monzo versus Starling, since the app really is at the core of digital banking. Overall, both Monzo and Starling offer beautifully designed, intuitive and responsive mobile applications that function very seamlessly. The layouts are clean and visual with colorful charts and graphs for tracking spending. In terms of the aesthetic style, Starling uses a more minimalist, traditional style that feels sophisticated yet simple. Their colors are muted and the interface lacks flair, but is easy to navigate through. Monzo has gone for more a kind of bold, vibrant color palette of hot oranges, pinks and purples that give their application a lot more character and kind of personality. The vibe is more youthful and energetic. Starling's relatively bare-bones design make basic navigation very quick and straightforward. Tapping between accounts and menus is fast with less clutter. One advantage Starling has is that they have their own in-app marketplace where you can link a variety of third-party financial services to your Starling account for added benefits and other features. This includes insurance options, cashback on purchases, investment channels, and a bunch more. Monzo does not offer an app marketplace, however you can access more similar third-party functionality through their paid plus and premium account subscriptions, which then provide additional features. But since we're comparing just the free accounts, in my opinion Starling takes the round for their marketplace ecosystem. So for this category, based on purely user experience of the interface and design, I would say Monzo goes ahead in this aspect. Now let's take a look at the savings tools and options provided by Monzo versus Starling. This is a big reason many consumers are drawn to these digital banks. Both Monzo and Starling offer innovative ways to automatically set aside money from your main spending balance into a separate savings wallet or pot. Monzo has their saving pot while Starling uses saving spaces. It's like having a sub-account not for spending where you can stash cash for goals. And with both saving pots and saving spaces, you can set a custom name and image for each separate savings wallet. You can have many to set aside money for different purposes like bills, vacations, gifts, etc. Monzo lets you create up to 20 pots while Starling caps saving spaces at 6. You can also set up direct debits and schedule transfers to automatically feed funds from your main account into these savings wallets on recurring dates. This can be a great way to pay yourself first and ensure you regularly set aside money for important financial priorities. So one advantage Starling has is that any money you hold in their saving spaces will contribute towards earning the interest rate paid on your main account balance. You can earn up to 0.5% annually on total balances up to £85,000 across your main account and all saving spaces. Whereas Monzo does not pay interest on money held in saving pots in their free accounts. However, Monzo offers integrations with savings providers like Oaknorth, Paragon and Chip that allow you to open various savings products directly within the Monzo app and earn interest on your deposits through those third parties. Some offers are as high as 1.16% fixed annually. So in summary, Starling makes it easy to combine savings space deposits with your overall balance for interest earning. Monzo opens up way more ways to specifically earn noticeably higher interest rates on saving deposits through partners. For ATM withdrawal limits and fees, accessing physical cash is still important, so let's take a look at how Monzo and Starling compare when it comes to domestic ATM withdrawals within the UK. Monzo allows you to withdraw up to £250 each 30-day period completely free of charges at any in-network ATM. Once you hit that £250 monthly limit, you start incurring a 3% charge per withdrawal. Your daily withdrawal limit is £400, while your overall monthly limit is £5,500. So potential fees add up quickly if you consistently hit those thresholds. Starling Bank permits you 6 free ATM withdrawals per day with a maximum of £300 per transaction. So your daily withdrawal allowance is higher at £1,800, and most importantly, Starling never charges any fees at all for withdrawals within the UK. Since Starling offers completely unlimited, fee-free ATM access, Whereas Monzo caps your free withdrawals at just £250 per month, Starling easily wins this withdrawal limits and fees category. So let's talk a little bit more about using Monzo and Starling internationally while traveling or living abroad. Here's how they compare. The excellent news is neither Monzo nor Starling charge foreign transaction fees when you use your debit card for purchases or payments overseas, unlike many old school kind of banks. You simply get the wholesale MasterCard currency exchange rate with no hidden markups or charges from either digital bank. This can save you a lot on the long term. Now when it comes to withdrawing physical cash from ATMs abroad, Monzo does charge varying fees depending on which region of the world that you're in. This is on top of your daily/monthly withdrawal limits. Starling, however, enables fee-free ATM withdrawals abroad as well with a daily limit of £300. So Starling definitely wins for international cash access. As for sending money overseas, both Monzo and Starling partner with international money transfer services to enable bank account deposits in foreign countries. Monzo partners with Wise while Starling uses their own in-house transfer system. Both of them provide excellent exchange rates very close to mid-market and low fees. I compared sample transfers and the costs were very similar. So when it comes to spending on money transfers abroad, Monzo and Starling are neck and neck thanks to zero foreign transaction fees, but Starling pulls ahead for fee-free international ATM withdrawals. So while both Monzo and Starling offer compelling digital banking experiences with gorgeous applications, great spending insights and intuitive tools, Starling still does come on top overall for the typical user. Hopefully this breakdown has given you a kind of overview of their respective capabilities so you can weigh what's most important to you. Let us know which one you prefer, Monzo or Starling, and why in the comment section down below. We'd love to hear your experiences and opinions. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.